Network-attached storage devices centralize files, enable backups, support media streaming, and provide secure remote access for all home devices. My today's video is about top 5 best network-attached storage that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at a Suster network-attached storage. This compact system, powered by the Intel Celeron N5105, delivers a surprisingly balanced performance for home servers or light workstation use, with a quad-core design that boosts up to 2.9 GHz for smooth multitasking and efficient everyday operations. The inclusion of 8 GB DDR4 memory, expandable to 16 GB, adds flexibility for users planning to scale workloads such as virtualization or media management. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports stand out, offering faster network throughput and link aggregation potential, making it ideal for NAS or small office environments. Additionally, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports ensure high-speed connectivity for external storage or peripherals. The presence of a PCIe slot for optional 10 GB expansion future-proofs the system, allowing significant networking upgrades. Overall, it's a well-rounded, upgrade-friendly solution that balances performance, connectivity, and scalability without unnecessary complexity. Now our second product is Western Digital Network Attached Storage. This high-capacity add-on storage solution from Western Digital strikes a strong balance between simplicity and reliability, making it ideal for both business and personal use. Designed for users who need dependable extra space, it handles large files like videos, backups, and documents with ease while maintaining consistently fast data transfer speeds. The plug-and-play functionality for Microsoft Windows PCs ensures effortless setup, eliminating the need for complicated installations or technical expertise. What truly stands out is the brand's reputation for durability and quality control, which translates into stable long-term performance and peace of mind for important data storage. Whether used as a backup drive or daily storage extension, it delivers a smooth, user-friendly experience, making it a practical and trustworthy choice for anyone looking to expand their digital storage without hassle. Our third product is Minisforum Network Attached Storage. The Minisforum NAS N5 Pro stands out as a powerhouse NAS solution, blending cutting-edge performance with exceptional versatility. Driven by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX Pro 370, its 12-core, 24-thread architecture delivers impressive speed, easily handling multi-user workloads, AI-powered media organization, and seamless 8K video decoding. The massive scalability, up to 188 terabytes, paired with flexible RAID options makes it ideal for both serious personal archives and professional data management. Connectivity is equally impressive, featuring dual high-speed networking with up to 15 gigabits per second throughput, USB 4, HDMI 8K output, and PCIe 4.0 expansion for future upgrades like GPU acceleration or SSD caching. Its innovative slide-out motherboard design simplifies upgrades, while advanced cooling ensures consistent performance under heavy loads. Beyond hardware, its AI-driven features for photo management, music playback, and home theater capabilities transform it into an all-in-one digital hub, redefining modern data storage experiences. Now number 4, Ugreen Network Attached Storage. The Ugreen NAS DH4300 Plus is a thoughtfully designed entry-level NAS that makes transitioning from cloud storage to a private home server both simple and rewarding. With its 4-bay configuration supporting up to 128 terabytes, it offers massive capacity for photos, videos, and files without the ongoing costs of subscription services. It's particularly appealing for beginners, thanks to intuitive setup options like NFC pairing and a user-friendly app that works seamlessly across platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. While it doesn't support virtual machines, Docker compatibility adds flexibility for lightweight applications. The standout feature is its AI-powered photo management, enabling smart organization, facial recognition, and duplicate removal. Combined with automatic backups and remote access, it becomes a reliable personal cloud solution, ideal for families wanting secure, scalable, and cost-effective data storage with modern smart features. And our last choice is TerraMaster Network Attached Storage. The TerraMaster F6-424 Max is a serious performance leap in the mid-range NAS space, built for users who demand workstation-level power. Driven by the Intel Core i5-1235U with 10 cores and 12 threads, paired with fast DDR5 memory, it handles virtualization, databases, and heavy multitasking with ease. Dual 10 GB ports deliver up to 20 gigabits per second throughput, enabling blazing fast transfers and smooth collaboration in multi-user environments. The addition of dual M.2 NVMe slots for caching significantly boosts responsiveness, while ASNI encryption ensures strong data security without performance compromise. Impressively, it runs quieter than expected, even under load, thanks to refined noise reduction. Performance gains are tangible: faster app launches, quicker file access, and improved database responsiveness, making it ideal for SMBs and power users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.